Greetings, students, and welcome to chapter review for Chapter 6 of Michael Molloy's Experiencing the World's Religions. The topic of this chapter are the Chinese religions, and in particular, Taoism and Confucianism. Now, for the section on Taoism, I would encourage you to read over the chapter, especially the beginning part of the chapter. The questions that pertain to Taoism are taken primarily from those aspects that talk about the origin of Taoism and also the concepts related to Taoism. So you want to know that rather well. In my lecture notes, they are not as full as they could be. What you will find useful there is expansions on a couple topics, which there's I believe several questions on yin and yang that are in my explanation in the lecture notes that would not be found in the book. You will want to know that. As well as the individuals that are mentioned that are pertaining to the topic. It'd be easier to find it there. Of course, you certainly want to have bookmarked the key terms page, because I try to have questions on each and every one of those key terms. And so that would be important to note as well. Now, with regard to Taoism, the sections that really wouldn't be much use to you to study, I don't believe there's really anything that relates to the development of Taoism as an organized religion. That's on the test. Nor is there anything in here on Taoism and the arts that I can think of, or really Taoism in the modern world either. So don't worry so much about that. On Confucianism, likewise, the information on my lecture notes that will be useful to you will be primarily that which pertains to the names of people that are important in the Confucian movement. However, in terms of the values of Confucianism and how it works as a religion in its own way, or a philosophy of life, you will want to refer to the textbook for that. And in particular, I would encourage you to read over the section on the 5 great relationships. There is, I believe, 1 or 2 questions on that. And in particular, you will need to look there for your information, because the question has to do with the priority, which one is the most important. So you will want to be aware of that. Also, in the section on Confucian virtues, I believe there's questions on each and every one of those virtues. Some of them are covered also in the key terms, but you get better explanations of that in the text itself. On page 248, the section, the box on the 5 classics and the 4 books, that material there you will want to know, because there are 3 questions that pertain to the information on page 248. Now, on the development of Confucianism as a philosophy, there's I think 1 question on the legalists and not much else from there. And Confucianism as a religious system, I'm not sure that there are really any questions pertaining to that, nor any that I can think of on Confucianism and the arts. This section of the test will comprise 27 questions of the test, so it is fairly important. Best wishes and good luck, students.